Hello, it's Brandee Safran from Body and Mind with Brandee, yoga therapist, life coach, and astrologer. And today I really wanted to dive deep into the energy of the moon. We are heading into the final full moon in 2024. The moon will be full on Sunday, December 15th, in the sign of Gemini. Gemini is the air sign, it is the energy of words and thinking mind ruled by Mercury. So if you've ever met a Gemini, they love to chat, they love to learn. Some Geminis also are amazing, amazing writers and communicators. I have one of my besties is a Gemini, and she is a brilliant finance woman. Her love language is spreadsheets. So Geminis, everything to do with words and language, that is their jive. I'm actually going to be hosting on December 15th a Gemini full moon end of the year celebration where we're going to be reviewing highlights of 2024, really looking at all that we have accomplished, all the challenges we've overcome, and also setting some intentions of what we're stepping into. So really taking the time to look at the broad picture. So I'll drop the link in the notes so that you could join on December 15th at 5 p.m. Eastern time. It'll be a guided practice, and I will be sending out possibly the replay to those that register as well. But being live is always next level. The moon, I've been passionate and following the moon for the past 12 years. It all started with being invited into a women's new moon ritual. Not really sure what it was, but magic was created. So I don't know about you. Have you ever been to a new moon ritual, a live event, or an online event? A full moon ritual. What is your personal relationship with the moon? I was just chatting to my daughter and she was like, Mom, I've been so busy at work. I have not even seen the moon. I have not seen the moon, which is so interesting, right? A lot of times you're like, oh my God, the sunlight. I haven't seen the light of day. But for her, she is born at nighttime. So her chart is ruled by the moon. So, do you know your moon sign? Your moon sign is how you nourish yourself. It's your emotional expression. It is how you mother and how you mother yourself. It's your physical well being. I am a Sag moon. I am fiery. How do I light up? I light up by being passionate, by being playful, by expanding, by learning, by sharing my wisdom, just as I'm doing right here, right now. This is my love language. You could say also the moon is your love language. So knowing your moon, knowing what phase of the moon you were born under, and what progress phase. These are all wonderful ways to really understand what cycle you are in your life and how to use this natural gift in the sky, the moon, to align to the seasons, to your seasons of life, to align to your lunar month. As women, we already know that we are lunar, that we have a menstrual cycle, just like the moon has its different phases. Women also have different phases, and so do men, but not as much of a spectrum. So if you're interested in a moon wisdom reading for your own personal chart, reach out to me. It is my joy, it's my pleasure, and I'm sure you will walk away lit up with so many tools that you could use to bring balance in your life. Balance and also a sense of inner knowing oneself, the sense of knowing oneself. So this week we are heading into that full moon. So we're going to be feeling it today. It is Monday when I'm recording this, and we're in the Aries full moon for the next 2 days. That fiery moon to start off the week, getting our drive, our passion, going after what we want, standing in our leadership. It's another fiery moon. And we just yesterday, which was Sunday, we hit the quarter moon phase in Pisces. So quarter moon phases are a time of action. And when we think of Pisces, Pisces is ruled by the planet Neptune. There's this energy of the dreamer, the mystic. So maybe you were in that place of, where do I get to go? What do I wish for? What is happening in my dreams? Maybe your dreams have been more potent this weekend. So all of that can be related to the energy of Pisces. So it's so fascinating what astrology does. It's a tool to get to know oneself, getting to know oneself. And there's so many ways that the moon is our guide. I don't know about you, when you look up at the sky, do you always notice that the moon has changed, right? Within 1 month's period, she goes through all of her different 8 phases. And there are energetic practices that go along with each phase. So it's a wonderful tool to bring healing body and mind to your nervous system. So I'm wishing you a blessed day, a great week ahead. Join me on Sunday at 5 p.m. for really revising, resetting, celebrating the last full moon together in 2024. We'll be doing some journaling. What a perfect thing to do on a Gemini full moon. And this year we'll actually be tailoring off the year with the new moon in Capricorn. That'll be, I think it's on December 30th, right at the very, very last day. We will be one of the last days of the year. We're going to be heading into the new moon. So we have 3 big lunations. We started off with that wonderful Sagittarius new moon. And we're going to be having Gemini full moon and Capricorn new moon. So enjoy all of the celebrations and the energy of December and reach out. I'd love to connect with you. Namaste. Bye for now.